Yesterday there was sun and there was rain, beauty in the mundane.
Hello, welcome back to Life Millwife. I have an unboxing to do. So, Beebeecrafts, it's an online crafting website, reached out to me. I've done it, a contract with them, I don't know, a year or two ago as well. And out of all of the stuff that I have received in the both times, there's only been a couple of things, maybe even just one, that I didn't care for, and that was their glitter paper. But this time, so you get $40 American of free merchandise. You have to do an unboxing video and then a crafting video with the supplies that they send you. You send them the links to the videos, and that is all you have to do for them. You can find them on YouTube, Instagram, their website, beebeecraft.com. I've got some notes here. They have beads, jewelry, supplies to make all different kinds of jewelry. They've got craft supplies, sewing supplies, knitting supplies, all kinds of things. And they have what they call the YouTube program for influencers, and they only ask that you have 100 subscribers and they will let you pick out some merchandise. Let me show you what I got, and then I'll show you the website. So I cut the bag open here, but I love the way they package. So these pieces are in bubble wrap. And they really package them well. So I got package of 6 of these wood pieces. They'll be fun to craft on. There's some kitchen decor. And then this package of different beads. And it's really neat. They had them in this packaging that was all, yeah, really nice packaging. So there's all different shapes and sizes of round beads, as well as the tube ones, and then some of these round ones. So that's a nice variety. And then I was really impressed with this wrapping too. Matter of fact, I did open this one. It was in this as well. But they put it in a cardboard sleeve. And in these nice Ziploc bags. And it's a set of 5 mason jar wood cuts. So let me turn you around and show you the website. Alright, so I just pulled it up here on my phone. And this is their website. So you'll see here, there's a menu. And so you can put it into the correct country that you're ordering from. So US dollars, euro, British pounds, Canadian dollar, Australian. Okay, and then they have coupons for new customers. They've got VIP and big order discount, share and earn 15% off. And here's just a sample of some of the stuff that they've got. They've got organizing storage bins for your crafts, tools. There's a metal stamp. Just all kinds of goodies here. They've got all these pendants. And let's go back here. And then, so up here you create an account and you put your items in your cart, and you don't have to pay anything. They ask you to put them in your cart. Then you send them an email saying, my stuff's in my cart, and they take care of it all. You can search whatever you would like. So let's do wood shapes. And all kinds. There's the kit, that the one package I got right there. So it's $16.28. We can. There's 100 beads, and there's different lengths and things like that. All your information. Let's go back here, and I'll look for the wood mason jars. See if I find those. Well, that didn't come up. Let's go back here. There they are. So, oh, they just call them bottles. That's why. The size, give you some ideas of how to decorate. And it's $13.57 for the 5 pieces. And let's see if I can find the other ones here. There are lots of neat ones. Like, I really like that one there. So you just scroll and you'll find all kinds of neat things. Let's do scrapbook paper. So they've got your hole punches, some die cuts. Oh, yeah, just all different designs. No, I put scrapbook paper and it's giving me all scrapbook stuff, but there's stickers. And they've got your tools and the best sellers, new products, sales. If you scroll down here, there's all your customer service, Q&As. Yeah. So it's a fun, it's definitely a fun website to play around on. I will admit, I do find some of their prices a little high compared to being able to get them other places. but they do offer a lot, and I love it. And they're wonderful to work with as far as their YouTube program, influencer program. So there will be a description, a code in the description box for a discount. And happy shopping. I hope you enjoy it. We'll talk to you again later. Bye-bye.
Yesterday there was sun and there was